Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MARA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways, just to establish some context here. But very impressive bounce on the day. When you stop and think about the fact that at one point the price was all the way down there, but now the price has worked its way back up to where it has. Now, don't get me wrong, there's still a lot of work that needs to be done. But my point here is that from where it was to where it was able to close, good solid move. But that does bring about the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around this single area, and that area is right down here at the $10 mark. Why is $10 important? And I'm not saying that this is what's going to happen, but for explanation's sake, let's say the price comes down here, behaves in that manner, and then continues on down. What would that be doing to the price? That would quite literally be putting the price right back inside of that area of the chart where it just was at those lows. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements with true power are not going to go back to where they were, right? They're going to make at least some sort of progress. And that's where this next scenario comes into play, because to be fair, I mean, no price can just go straight up. So maybe the price comes down here, behaves in that manner, then starts to work its way back upwards. Now, what would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have lows right there. If you envision each one of those as stair-steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair-steps making progress in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote-unquote progress being defined right there at that $10 mark. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, first key area of resistance is going to be right here. If the price continues on up at the $11, let's see, what is that? Yeah, $11.10 mark. And then after 11.10, next key level going to be that purple line up there, which on my chart denotes a very well-known, the very famous 50-period moving average, currently valid at, we'll call it the 11.85 mark. So overall, though, nice little bounce. Not just a question of can the price build upon this bounce moving forward. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.